Hello, amazing community! Welcome to another episode. I am thrilled you are here, so let's jump straight into the content. Interesting facts about Elcin Sangu showcase the versatility of her life and career. Despite her busy schedule, the actress, standing 169 centimeters tall and weighing 43 kilograms, never forgets about her fans. On her Instagram account, she frequently shares behind-the-scenes video snippets and vacation photos, giving followers a glimpse into her personal and professional life. However, social media is not the only platform where fans can learn about the actress. Numerous online portals, social media fan groups, and even print publications regularly feature articles and updates about her career and life. In an interview, Elcin revealed that her biggest dream is to portray the late Princess Diana. With her acting talent and refined appearance, this goal seems well within reach. Elcin's work isn't limited to films and television series. In 2015, she appeared in the music video for Toygar Aykol's song Söz Olur. The following year, she became a model for the 2016 Spring-Summer collection of Boyner, one of Turkey's leading clothing retailers. In 2017, she was chosen as the face of Canal D. Another intriguing detail about Elcin. In 2017, she got a tattoo on her back. Fans can spot this artwork in photos she has shared on her Instagram, where she often posts personal and creative highlights of her life. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Until next time, take care.